Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whichever time of the day it is that you are watching Mrs. Hensley for our morning message. It is, guess what? It is Friday, 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 Friday. Oh, okay, I'm being silly. I'll stop. Mrs. Hensley, we have a calendar to do, right? It is our morning message, and we have to do a calendar. So Mrs. Hensley needs to stop being so goofy. Okay, here we go. Our calendar. We know that we are in the month of September, right? Yes, but we need to know what the date is. September what? So it's the number that comes after the number that we had yesterday, which was 10. So what comes after 10? Let's count to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11. You were right if you said 11. 11 looks like this, and we are going to put it here. So it is September the 11th, 2020. Let's look to see. We know that today is Miss Hensley always acts goofy, especially on Fridays. So what is today? Today is Friday. Okay, Friday. Mrs. Hensley, stop. Today is Friday. And what comes after Friday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Oh, Saturday. Saturday, Saturday. Okay, so tomorrow will be Saturday. What was yesterday? The day before Friday. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Oh, what was it here? This is Friday. What did I say here? Okay, here we go. Let's try it again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You're right. Thursday. That's silly, naughty TH. Thursday. Stick your tongue out. Naughty TH. Thursday. Okay, so yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Here we go. We are going to clap for every word that we hear in those sentences. Here we go. Yesterday was Thursday. Yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Good job on clapping for every word that you hear, okay? Again, we are still in the the season of summer. Summer, fall, summer, fall, winter, spring. So we are still in summer, okay? So we need to add a day to our days that we've been in school. So here is a day, and we will put that in the ones place because it's all by its little lonely self, and there's not 10 there now, is there? Okay, so let's count and see how many we have. This is 10 straws put together, 10, and then we have one more. So 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11. We have been in school 11 days. Can you believe that? Okay, so we'll put that 1 back in the ones place. We'll put these 10s back in the tens place. And we are going to add a tally. Okay, we have 5, 10, plus one more is 11. Or we can count our tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 days that we have been in school. So let's write the number 11. Mrs. Hensley wrote the number 11. Okay, now we are going to talk about, I forgot to write the date. We are not doing journals today. Normally we have a fun Friday, but we are having to catch up with some phonics and some sound skills. So we will be doing an activity at the end of the day, but normally we won't be doing some of this stuff on Friday, okay? We will not do our journals on Friday. Okay, so let's go ahead and write the date on the board real quickly. I think I'll use green today. The month of September, here we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and August. September. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the date is 9-11-20 for 2020. Or we could write it, abbreviate SEPT period, 2 finger spaces, 11, 2020. Or we could write the whole word September out. It's a long month. September 11th, 2020. Okay? Okay, so we have the date there. We're ready to talk about what we're doing today. First of all, we're doing our sound skills today. Then we're watching the TBF video again. Once again, do not do the writing. She's going to show you the writing, but you're just going to listen to the video. You do not have to write. You could air write if you wanted to. That's always fun. You could air write T and I don't know if that's right. B. No, it would be this way. B and F. Okay, you could air write it while she's doing it if you would like to. And we will be writing the letter F today, uppercase and lowercase f. We will work on our letter word sound fluency with our sounds. We will do an I Spy F page. We have an F craft today. I wonder what that's going to be. You think about that. And I'm going to read Johnny Appleseed book. And then we're going to do an activity on Seesaw with that. And we're going to count and write numbers 3 and 4. And at the end of the day, we have a fun science activity for you. Okay? You guys have a fabulous Friday. Oh, we're going to. And I will see you in a little bit. Bye, friends.